It is 5th of May on the Thursday. Time is 2:56 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. So let's kick off with the dollar against the Japanese yen. So I've seen that let's go into the 4-hourly charts right away. We have seen that the price has went into consolidation in this region, and after a recent appreciation and retracement from its biggest drop, since where Bank of Japan they not ease monetary further or whatsoever, it causes it to drop all the way, and we expect the price to retrace back to a support term key resistance level at 107.83. So let me just plot that out for you. Alright, so this is the level, and into the 15-minute charts, price has recently created a higher low. This is the higher low, but it is still struggling to break through the current high for a higher high, and the price has yet to also reach the key resistance at 107.83. So in this scenario, we will be looking for a buy opportunity as the price drop a little bit lower to the lower band of the consolidation, which the current price right now is pretty alright, and to go for the buy all the way towards the key resistance at 107.85. Or if not, we'll just be waiting for the price to appreciate all the way to 107.85 or 83 to go for the sell opportunity. Alright, so that's for the dollar against Japanese yen. Alright, next we have Aussie against the US dollar. Let's take a look at the day one charts. We have seen that it has begun to make its first daily retracement and is expected to fall further to its final exhaustion level, or rather at the major support level, price of 0.7370. 73.70. So this is the price. Let me just put it into a blue one for final exhaustion level that's based on the Fibonacci expansion. Alright, so this is the key level. So into the smaller time frame, in the 1-hourly charts, we have seen that price was exhausted from the previous depreciation due to the rate cuts from the Reserve Bank of Australia, and therefore we are expecting price to make a major retracement. So we'll be looking for opportunity to go for the buy. In fact, right here, the structure that we have here do suggest the price will retrace and appreciate further. So we'll be looking for buy opportunity instead, as the price retraces to, or rather drop a little bit further to 0.7479, and then all the way towards the major a key resistance, a key support time resistance level, not too far away, right here. Alright, at the price of 0.7560. So that is the price we'll be looking for to go for the sell, if you do not want to go for the intraday buy. So that's for the Aussie against US dollar. Next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Into the 4-hourly charts, we have, or rather before that, let me just plot out the chart on the day one chart. We have a rising trend channel, a major one, right here at the day chart. Alright, so into the 4-hourly chart, we've seen that the price has already begun falling from the top, went back to the same high, created a major resistance, and has since begun to fall again. Right now, we are seeing the price is making a retracement just before it reaches the key support at the price of 0.6834. So we are still looking to go for the sell, but we might be able to expect the price to retrace all the way back to another key resistance right here at 69.47, 0.6947, and then from there we will expect it to weaken further towards the bottom of the rising trend channel, or towards the key support at 0.6834. So into the 15-minute charts, we'll we have seen that the price has recently broke above a falling trend line, a very minor one. So that signals the price may continue to appreciate towards the key resistance at 69.47. So we will be looking for buy opportunity as it comes back to the trend line or slightly lower at the support here, 0.6878, to go for intraday buy towards the key resistance at 69.7 again. Or we'll be waiting for the price to reach this level, then to go for the sell. So that is for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the euro against the US dollar. So into the day one charts, we have seen that the price has been indecisive since the pullback from a sharp gain. Let me just plot this line first. Alright. Since it pulled back from a sharp gain and got resisted at the top of a rising trend channel. But do take note there was a breach once right here, but the price is still seen resisted. Alright, so we can see that there was previously a sharp gain that attempts to break above, but it pulls back all the way and closed below. So we have seen that right now the price is still indecisive, or probably right now we are seeing that it has begun to retrace a little bit further. So since we're in the 1 hourly charts, let's look at this time frame. We have seen the price has been consolidating, almost no volatility left, and we have spotted another key resistance turn support level, which is somewhere here at the price of 1.1384. And also do take note that the consolidation that's taking place right now has the price also seen supported at the previous major resistance and support level at the price of 1.1471. If you look at the weekly chart, you'll understand that. Alright, so there is a chance that the price may rebound off from this level, but if not, we will be expecting the price to fall a little bit further to 1.1445 right here. So that is based on the 4 hourly charts, a previous key resistance level here. So if you were to go for the buy, would recommend that stop loss to be set below 1.1445 for more conservative. So that is for the euro against US dollar. And next we have the pound against the US dollar in the day charts itself, or rather, let me just plot the charts. Okay, so into the 4 hourly charts, we have seen that the price has made significant retracement, fell from the top of a major rising trend channel, but yet to touch the key resistance turn support level at 1.4433. Right, so this is the level. And therefore, into the 1 hourly chart, price has actually found support and has begun rebounding off from 1.4472. That was actually the support right here. Yes, actually formed. You can see that's a pretty good support actually, and it's since began to rebound off, but you can see that it's pretty weak still. So chances is that the price may still fall further, break slightly lower, a sharp break touches the 1.4435 key support level and rebound. That is just a possibility, so we have to see. But if we were to go for the buy, in any case, we would like to recommend to set the stop loss below 1.4433 instead. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Expected the price to resume its appreciation very soon, because mainly it has broke above the major resistance right here at 1.4577. That's in the day chart. So that's for the pound against US dollar. Last but not least, we have the euro against the pound. As we know that in the for euro against the pound, in the weekly charts, the price is falling from the top of a major falling trend channel, and again based on the weekly charts. So expected the price to fall a lot further, depreciate a lot further from here, and into the 4-hourly chart we have seen that in the daily chart we have seen that the price has made significant retracement all the way to the major resistance. Still, yesterday it closed just right at the resistance level at 0.7920, so that signals the price may resume depreciation very soon. So into the smaller time frame, in the 1-hourly charts, we are looking for a sell opportunity, or rather in the 15-minute charts, as soon as we see that the price retrace to a resistance. In fact, this is a very good price right now. If you want to go for a sell right away, have your stop loss set above 79.42. Who recommend about 15 to 20 pips for the euro against the pound to go for the sell. I think this will be a very big trade for us. Alright, so that's for the euro against the pound, and with that I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and take note, tomorrow we have the non-farm employment change. Alright, so good luck. Thank you very much.